What is your mental ability, cognitive ability that is known as intelligent? Myself Sukumar, I am the student of occupational therapy. Intelligence of a person can be measured by the intelligence test with the level of IQ. If the person having low IQ level, then the person having mentally retarded. If the person having high IQ, then the person may be genius or mentally gifted. Intelligence can be defined as the capacity of the person to think rationally, to act purposefully, which means useless action they don't do, to deal effectively with the environment. So these capacity of the person is the intelligence. It is defined by David Weschler. IQ level is the number which indicates the level of the intelligence. So formula for IQ is mental age by chronological age into 100, which means their mental age is appropriate to the chronological age is measured here. How we assessing the intelligence? We have multiple intelligence tests. First, Bhatia's battery of performance test. In this Bhatia's battery, many more tests are available. Then Raven progressive matrices. We can simply tell it as RPM. And Weschler scale. Weschler adult intelligence scale. WAIS. And Weschler intelligence scale for children. WISC. And Weschler memory scale. Finally, Stanford-Binet intelligence scale. In Bhatia's battery of performance tests, we have co-block test in which blocks are built up by the person. Then Alexander pass-along test, pattern drawing test, picture completion test, memory span test, digit span, reverse digit span, in which the intelligent test can be classified into two types: individual test, group test. Individual test can be conducted only by the verbal mode. So it has some form of questions. The person have to answer some questions. So in verbal, not only voice by speaking, verbal is also done by the question papers. So question is asked, then answer is asked. So that way also verbal test can be conducted. In non-verbal test, the question and answer should not take place. In this, performance only take place. So group test is conducted only by the performance of the person. So example making a design is a non-verbal. So we have to classify some verbal and non-verbal tests. So in Weschler adult intelligence scale, so these verbal and non-verbal tests are available. First, verbal is the information. So the person having some information are assessed by the verbal. Then comprehension, how the person understands something, that is assessed by the verbal test. Then arithmetic knowledge, the person having the numbers, how the addition, subtraction or takes place are calculated by the verbal scale. Then similarities. So what are all the similarities between the two words that can be assessed by the verbal test? Then digit span. I already said some digit are read by the psychologist and that should be repeated by the client. So that are all comes under the verbal. Then what comes under the non-verbal? In non-verbal, picture completion test, block design test, picture arrangement, object assembly. So these are all non-verbal. So in this, performance of the person is assessed. Okay, today we have discussed about what is intelligent and what are all the intelligence tests and what are all the components in the Weschler adult intelligence scale. In our next video, we will discuss further tests and further topics. Thanks for watching. Be proud to watch our video. Bye bye.